umeweza kutolewa lazmi.
Ulitolewa.
Yes.
Nagarita hili dilo na SMS short code ile koroku ya korora resort.
Indi meigwete.
Gweciria ne kwaneganirwo muno kiria kiriga ni undu wa SMS.
Yes.
Riu marauga mutu aingie kwenye mtandao.
Oh, the portal.
Ingire portal-ini ya neki.
Yes. Menya mwana yekite atia. Agithiono gia sorry, kegeranio gia form 4. Ndiro ni cia tuingiria kirimun.
Ni siasa. All Kenyans are politicians.
Kigeranio gia form 4 ri gitikoragwo na observer igita gia KSPE tondu andu ingi ona rugongo ri ukora aria mangia kombirwo thome matia kombithanirie riu matie ground ya kurio rageire. They played no part, so they have no business.
They have no obligation.
Ngoria mwana ranyitire ki. And interestingly, I think Lottie Norekire KCSE last year it should be the second or third lot ya free primary education.
Ora mabanirie na free primary education.
Free primary education ni atu
ya jirie 2003.
2003.
So ya kehake aigira uguo mwaka wa mbere.
So the first lot was probably 20 what? 2021 there. Yeah, they are about. So matunda ya free primary education tunayaona.
Sasa hawa wamesoma na FPE throughout.
Yes. And the important thing to da kuririkania rutu ateneti kire oragia nikio giaku kiu wagia. Yes.
Kiu nikio rahotire gukinyia.
And there's always a starting point. You never give up. Yes.
Maisha no mambo bado.
These are dynamic times. Ona tire aria tene ogiagire kwandikwo ni watu gia ikere kare ya ngoro. Yes.
Maundu ni macenjirie.
Yani kwena crypto, kwena AI, there's
a lot you can do.
Absolutely. Yes. No the ure. Ito kana ogwo kuri thiko ici. You see nowadays the network is very robust. There's a lot of activity even in the rural areas. Tende Warikia Form 4 izio kwaje riu marika maya maitu nigia ikaraga muno kege kauma ito kana kia thia kumakirwo USA. I don't understand. Kia tuma kiranio ikare mieri na
todo kiranio kiuma na kumweri-ini wa gatatu
March. I mean kiranio mwaki ya November ikare December, January, February, March. Yes.
March riu ni roge kauma.
Ona andu makiriganagirwo ni wekire kigeranio. I think it's no wonder there was no fuss.
No, kigeranio ni kiuma andu amwe mahikite.
Amwe nginya marigithathite.
Kora thakana mieri ina.
Weragwo nyina wa sui. Wagia bi. Weithe wa ngotho. Ni wahituka wega.
Weciria maundu no magicenjirie ona nginya mimakire-ini ya igeranio na go compare results.
But I think it was just sheer laziness tondu ri utakire andu mongereirwo.
Even the thing by the way thutha uyu the students are more.
They are more. The bulk is even bigger.
Kuma kwagĩa na 100% transition.
Yes. Weciria it was just mere laziness. And I think wakora riu andu aria kumakina one makunderio anini mbeca irio. Yes.
And maybe lacking in technology.
And I do not know this is just my what do you call this? My thought. Kigeranio ya KSPE ri na KPSE icire kwa national ri ni gufati gukinye at some point mugacokagirio iratathi. You know it is you against the system.
Oga cross check.
You know you cannot query the system.
How can you query?
You
query what?
You can't. Nimafati macokagio thukuru.
Mundu agacokerio iratathi riake.
Yes.
Akona ha nima ndagũire.
Yes.
Ha nima
na ndirakwira maratathi mau magicokio.
Kungĩihũra macira magoti-ini.
I say, Madam Chief Justice would put up a special court. Yeah, election.
examinations
tribunal.
No na tole ko na magoti magocirira macira ma migunda.
Yes.
Onde ko magoti magocirira igeranio.
I am telling you for Oyo gothago theci yaku no kaiganira.
Ungigikwereke
ucoke oneo maratathi urore mama mandurare mutheci mungirugama na bao-ini
kwaje ukona uratigitie point iyo
uthie D-minor nasimamana nao mbere hadi kieleweke
ndio gucaria okiri.
No, I do not think logistics ya gucokia maratathi mau not logistics ya kumare. I don't think the government wants to spend that. It's the same.
But we will get there someday.
No, we will get there, especially when you know, moving forward, and that is in the very foreseeable future. There will be no hard copies. So it will be a portal. Wega kigeranio giaku kia makuo you can see. Tondu mathathi mau ona kungituika na thirikari icoke imeka mistake yaku atiri ni ku backdate miaka 20 mungituona ku
magoti kungigia jamu.
Yes. At a class of 2 or 3.
Agiore andu mangijitanaga jointi mukanyitana ikundi kia andu ta 15.
Yes.
Mukaiga okiri.
Ndirakwira wa muco bangicoke tabarĩra yake ya mũiguithania manyitana na maninyari njanjo ya igeranio niĩ nyarĩ ũguo ũranyona ndarĩ nyita 70 mathabu thirikari yanyandĩkĩire 30
ndahĩtirie gũthiĩ university
kiugo kũmakĩrwo ũru. They will not do that. Even warekagia KCSE ukaria muri mucii ukanoga ni guikara oguo. You see one in January, February gutikoragwo wira wa mugunda.
Not much
unless you're in the T zones there. But in most areas, it's only subsistence farming. Yes. Ni waikara at first wiki cia mbere ciganona. Kwaja gwacho kuo thukuru.
Hindi yo niro wariaraizaga
gicagi ni gikiraga
ni gukiraga pio
waigua mahuti makiharara no ma marigo
nginya miti ikihurwo ni ruhuho
kaigua miti ĩrĩa kũranĩire ũguo kĩgamba
na ng'ombe ĩmwe yarwanio itũra etakiraga
The echoes and sounds and sights of the rural village would be your only entertainment. Tondu one gutie thitima kwanyu thoguo ndangĩgũra mahiga ũthikagĩrĩrie mũnene ũyũ.
Who are you?
Who are you? What have you become?
Tũthikagĩrĩrie radio mũthenya.
You would realize that a 12-hour day can be heftily long.
Riu kwaja wagutha wiki 3 mweri.
Yes.
We
wathiĩ buroti-rĩ ndũrĩ teni ũkaigua kariũa kau.
And everybody else is busy.
And everybody else used to know moved on. Ukajia kurigwo ya mama guoria makwirago they were daring you to finish school re. Ginya aria waigua magegwitia na wire Kamau ayoka gucera. They don't want an adult.
Ukamenya no wagimarire.
Yes. Wakinya handu muthenya kasi ni umwe waku ri ukamuria kanena basisi ya fare ya mundu ungi uyu
umwe ugathoka
uguo niguo andu amwe tutwokie kana iro no waikara gicagi ukaigua ruwi rukiamba ho gukirite ki
utanarikia thukuru weciragia ati no ukome muno.
Yes.
Ugakoma a few days.
Yes.
Toro gathira.
Kwaja wakora 11 wirivo
nginya ngari ya nderi igithie no urameigua.
Yes. Wara rogiri ukona ciana itengerete ciathie thukuru in a span of 30 minutes in the morning everything goes still. Yes. Wone umagarire kwa hii ni mwandike mathire wira
riu ni wewe
watigwo ku na karupanga gaku
ukageria kwihe mbice
ukathi kwa ng'ombe wakona cio nĩ cirĩ snooze hetha ikinya ciga
ona ciga snooze.
No, it would be a long day.
Na hindi gutiarĩ TikTok.
No, you mete ku. You would need to na nikio aigua riu wacoka mucii wakora mundu akiina iko inire yokora mundu raine oike atari rendi ukamenya ni form 4 arikirie urajira wende baba tuthie Mombasa na mbeca iria toire woiaga na we people don't sing to themselves anymore. Gai wakwa gai we ai wakwa gai ani madigala ke gukambaga beke gukambana gira we ai wa mundu raina
ndamenya kwi mundu
ndigiteta wanyuri ukiraga takenda ciaku tire ria mbere ndigiratikie ciaku. You had to entertain yourself.
Nuona muthenya wi muraihu
igia igia o igia 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 we moja wa kodo
Warikia Sunday gakinya ri
othi kanitha you will see people how no wajagia kwigiritania na riu kayo itawatia youth ya Catholic
ndio yatagwo youth.
Yes, there is a name.
Asa
igira kayo at least okuni kugia kaigwa na turacemania Tuesday na inyanya to practice
kana kaigwa Saturday ni mucemanagia afternoon together mu practice for Sunday.
Yes. Now your social craving. No. Those 3 months or so were very idle.
Very.
Ona maundu mabatie kukumaina so age-inĩ witũ
twehererio mĩaka matuko marĩa morĩire thĩ thaa 9:44 tũgĩũka